Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to DM on Twitter. It is very simple to do, so let's get started right away. So the first thing you need to do is to open up the Twitter app. Once you're here, it will show you the feed for Twitter. All you need to do is click on any profile. I'll click on Uncle Drew, just click on his little profile pic. And then from here, as you can see by the follow button on top of the page, you see a little mail icon. You want to click on that. And that's how you text somebody or DM somebody. Just click hi. I've done it many times. And then some people don't actually have this option. So I'll go up to ESPN, click their profile page, and as you can see, they don't have a mail icon to send them anything. And if you want to be like ESPN, you probably already are, but you want to go to your profile page in the top left corner, click on settings and support. There'll be a drop down for settings and privacy. Then you want to click privacy and safety. Then you want to go down to direct messages. Once you're at this page on the very top, it's going to say allow message requests from everyone. So if this is toggled on, you'll be able to get a message from any person on Twitter. However, if it's turned off, you'll only be able to get messages if you follow them. So hope this video helps. And if it did, please make sure to like the video and subscribe. It helps with the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next